Good morning everyone. Today I will be talking about the concept of organizational behavior. So if I talk about the concept of organizational behavior, what is actually organizational behavior all about? Organizational behavior is basically made of two words. First is organization and the second one is behavior. So if someone asks what is organization, so organization is basically group of people working together. When group of people are working together, obviously their mindset would be different, they would be having different attitude, different behavior, different way of thinking. So everything would be different, totally different, and their behavior, whatever they would be doing in the organization, that would be completely different because their perspective is different, their approach to do the work, that is completely different. So organizational behavior, that is basically a new concept in management because it basically merged the people together so that all their efforts could be in one common direction, so that when they work towards the development of the organization, and if they are working towards the development of the organization, obviously organizational goals will be achieved. If the organizational goals will be achieved, the organization would be prospering in future. So that is the concept of organizational behavior. And if the organization would be in success, then ultimately it would be helping the people by giving them growth opportunities, by providing them future growth, by providing them with promotions, good perks, with benefits. If they are into sales, then monetary benefits could be given to the employees. So that is the whole concept of organizational behavior. If I talked about what is actually the organizational behavior is all about. And if you talk about the basic two, you can say ideologies on which the organizational behavior deals with, that is basically two concepts of sociology and psychology. Psychology, because you are basically dealing with people, you are dealing with the psychologies of the people, and if you are able to understand the psychology of the people very much, so you can deal with that people very easily. And sociology is that people cannot work in isolation, they cannot work in individually, so they love to be in groups, and when they work in groups, so they ultimately leads to better results, because 1 plus 1 is obviously giving the result of 11 rather than one working individually. So this is the whole concept of organizational behavior. Hope you like my video, and for further content you can follow me on my YouTube channel. Thank you.